Welcome back to our channel. Today, let me show you how to create a crew logo in Blox Mobile. First, open up your web browser on your phone and go to roblox.com. Sign into your account and navigate to the Creator Studio by selecting Create at the top. In the Creator Studio, go to the sidebar option and choose Creations. Scroll down to Development item and select Decals. Upload an image for your decal by tapping on Upload Asset. You can either upload an image from your phone or find one online. After uploading, give your decal a name and description, then click Upload. Return to roblox.com and select Inventory from the sidebar. Scroll down and choose Decals. Select the decal you want to use. Copy the link generated for the decal and return to the game. Press the pirate icon on the left, paste the copied link, and wait for it to update. And there you go. You have now created a crew logo and Blox Fruit. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.